Hey everyone, this is David with FormulaBot. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to web scrape any publicly accessible website and pull down anything. It could be information from a long article. It could be a table that's on a page. Basically scrape that and then convert that to an Excel file, which you can then analyze however you'd like. Let's go ahead and get started. So in this example, we're going to use a new popular website that's trending right now called TrustMRR.com. It's a website where mostly software startups are sharing their verified financials, their revenue, monthly recurring revenue. So in this example, we're going to ask for five different fields, or in this case, columns: the startup name, description, founder, revenue, and then the monthly recurring revenue. So we'll head on over to FormulaBot and say, can you scrape this page? I need the leaderboards, startup company name, description, founder info, revenue, and monthly recurring revenue. In this case, we're not adding data. Of course, you can add Excel files, PDFs, data connectors, but in this case, we're going to be using one of our tools to pull in information for web scraping. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's take a look at our file here. So here's just a preview, but I'll open the entire Excel file. And look at that. We've got the company name, description, the founder's information, their email or handle, revenue, and monthly recurring revenue. We can even take it a step further and we can just start chatting with it. So let's say, show me a scatter plot of each company showing their revenue versus monthly recurring revenue, and show the company name as the label. All right, there is our scatter plot. We've got the company names, their revenue, monthly recurring revenue. We can see a couple of anomalies here. Now, if you're interested in checking this periodically, whether it's every day, every single week, what you can do is you can convert this chat into a playbook where we have our preloaded messages here, where this is our first message, our second message, and then what we can do is we can schedule the file to run every day, every week, every month, and then have the outputs basically delivered straight to your email without having to even log inside FormulaBot and send those messages. So I hope this was helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe. Follow us for more tips and tricks using AI for data analysis. Thank you.